Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set contrast on the CapCut application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So just open a project, and if you want to set the contrast of your video, just go to the lower bar, tap to the edit button at the lower left corner of the screen. In the lower bar you can find the adjust button next to the filters, and here just click to the third option, the contrast. Actually, if you want to set that, just click to the white circle icon and just pull on the line, and you can set the strength of the contrast. And if you finish, click to the OK button at the lower right corner of the screen, and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.